come into a Tim Burton film and become the evil witch. How did you manage to do that?
Oh my God. I mean, I took it as a real character, you know, she's somebody big with big emotions, you know, everything is magnified with her, you know, her pain, her love, her jealousy, her vengeance. She's a big character. So, but also very human, you know, she seems evil, but it all comes from all the love that she has for Barnabas.
One of the scenes, and we don't want to give too much away, but you have a very intense scene with Johnny Depp. You know, it seems like it was fun. How was filming that part for you guys? Did you practice it a lot?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I mean, we had we had stunt people who helped us to kind of find the choreography, but also we didn't do everything because I think we probably have died, so we did half of the whole scene. But it was fun. It's kind of a metaphor for love also, to kind of smash everything, and you know, it's going to the ceiling literally, and it was fun.